Biology is a vast and fascinating field, branching into numerous disciplines that help us understand life in all its forms. Morphology studies the structure and shape of organisms, revealing how form relates to function. Anatomy dives deeper, examining the internal systems that keep living beings ticking. Then there's entomology, the intriguing study of insects, which play crucial roles in ecosystems and agriculture. Paleontology takes us back in time, uncovering fossils that tell the story of life on Earth millions of years ago. Physiology explores how organisms function, from cellular processes to complex systems like the nervous and circulatory systems. Cell biology zooms in even further, investigating the building blocks of life, while histology focuses on the microscopic structure of tissues. Finally, biotechnology merges biology with technology, leading to innovations that can revolutionize medicine and agriculture. Each branch is a unique lens through which we can appreciate the complexity and beauty of life.